In order to save state in RPCS3, you're just gonna press the Ctrl plus S from the keyboard. But in case if your save state operation fails just like this here, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this kind of error and save the state successfully. If you see here, it shows that the SPU compatible mode can be turned on in order to fix this issue. So let's go to RPCS3, go to configuration and go to advanced. And if you come to the core settings, we have the SPU compatible save states mode. Just enable it and then apply and save. Once it's done, go back to your game. Now in order to make the changes take effect, you can close the game and relaunch it. Now once the game has loaded, if you press on Ctrl plus S from the keyboard, it will automatically save the state just like this here. Don't close the RPCS3 during this time. Minimize this game and we're gonna find the RPCS3 shortcut on the desktop. Right click on the shortcut and go to open file location. We're gonna reach the RPCS3 folder. And inside this directory, we're gonna find one folder here that's called Save States here. And we have got this state that we just saved. The name of the save state file will be the serial number of the game. If you go to RPCS3 window and see that the serial number of this game that we just saved matches with the save state here. And now in order to load this save state, what you're going to do is open this folder and you're just going to drag this save state ZST file to RPCS3 directly and it will launch. I'm not going to do this right now. So if you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.